Now, something we haven't covered so much yet here at the PPMA Show 2015 yet is a core part of what we're about is vision systems. I'm delighted that my good friend Stuart Jackson is here to tell me more about what he does and what the guys at Bytronic Vision do as well. Hi, how you doing, Stuart?
Hi there, you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm feeling a little bit hungry, and this display here is not helping things very much indeed. Tell me what we're looking at here and where your vision systems here fit in with the story.
So we've got a selection of vision systems here. We're using the camera-based systems to look at the lids of the pots, identify what flavour is going down the production line, so the customer can ensure that he's got the right product going down the line, he's not accidentally put a chili beef flavour one on instead of a chicken one, and when you get to the shop you don't get a tray of random selected flavours.
Now, I presume the camera is using optical recognition rather than smelling what's in the pot noodle. I mean, let's have a little look at the camera here. These are Cognex cameras, aren't they?
That's correct, yes.
Now, actually, just to fill in the gaps here, as we were chatting about a moment ago, Bytronic, you're not a manufacturer, you're an integrator, right?
Yeah, that's correct. We're a systems integrator, and we're a partner systems integrator for Cognex. Which basically means that we take the camera hardware and turn it into a completed turnkey solution for a customer, solving whatever problems that they have that they can do some visual inspection for.
Excellent. Now, as some people might know, I'm a bit of a camera geek. I want to know a bit more about this camera here. So you were saying this is a smart camera. Everything's smart these days. Whenever you're bringing out a product, it's got to be smart. Surprised these aren't smart pot noodles. What is so smart about this camera here, Stuart?
The main thing behind the smart part of the camera is that everything is integrated in that little yellow box. So there's no external computers. It's got integrated I/O, and it's got integrated Ethernet, so you can connect it to your PLC. Everything's in that little box. Once you've programmed it with your computer, disconnect everything, and it sits there and runs away merrily. So it's all solid state, nothing to break, no moving parts. Yeah. Very reliable piece of kit.
So it is literally a black box camera here, and it's what we can see on the screen here is it's spotting exactly what, not only taking a picture of it, but it's identifying what flavour it is by optical character recognition, but optical recognition. There's really low latency. How quickly is this spotting what flavour is on the pots here?
So we're looking at around about 100 milliseconds for it to take the picture, process it, and work out what it is.
That's pretty much the blink of an eye, isn't it?
Yeah, you're looking at 10 times a second it'll do that. So obviously this is running very slowly, so we don't get pot noodle all over the floor. But in reality, the production line is running around 10 parts a second.
Good stuff. Tell me a little bit about Bytronic. How long have you guys been doing what you do for?
We've been established since 1997. Originally started mainly in the automotive sector and the food and drink sector. Started doing machine vision systems probably about four or 5 years after we initially started. As technology progresses, you're getting faster cameras, better resolution, you can do more with it, better tools, more accurate. So yeah, more and more of the things that we do are machine vision based systems. 95% of what we do is.
Sure. And I guess on a production line example like this, you'd be making sure that all of your chili beef flavour all go into one pallet and your promo ones go into another pallet, and this is a core part of doing that. What other applications do customers tend to use your vision systems for?
Some of the main applications are, verifying that the date code that's been printed on the pot is the correct code, it's in the right place, you can read it. The camera systems do all that kind of thing. They like to read the barcodes on the product. So again, another way of verifying it's the correct part going down the conveyor belt. It's got the right artwork on it. Someone's not accidentally mixed up a lid from one type of artwork with a pot of another. So you get all sorts of different things like that.
Yeah, it's the kind of quality control stuff as well. Listen, that's great. Finally, for now, Stuart, PPMA show, how's it been going for you? Having some good conversations?
Yeah, fantastic. We've had some surprising number of visitors this year. It's been very busy. So yeah, we're really happy.
Good stuff. Well, listen, Stuart Jackson, that's really, really interesting having a look at this. Like I say, that's quite a neat little camera. I'm not sure it'll take over the camera that I use to snap things at home, but if it could actually identify the things that I'm taking pictures of for me, that would be very useful indeed. Anyway, Stuart Jackson for Bytronic, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.